Hey guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing great. So friends, we all love weekend, correct? This is something which most of us wait for very desperately, especially when we have our office offs in the weekends. Usually, we all have different ways and means to spend our weekend. Different people try to spend their weekend in a different manner. So in today's video, we are going to talk about two different choices we have to celebrate our weekends. These choices literally decide our future in life, which means that how we are going to grow in the life and how we're going to proceed in the life later on. So if you're interested in this topic and want to know what all these choices are, I would request you to please watch this video till end to get the best out of it. So let's start it. Welcome to Mindiology, the platform for skills, lifestyle, and career development. I'm your host and host Deepak from the team Mindiology. So let's start the video, friends. So the first choice we have about waking up. Yes, we can sleep until late or we can wake up early. Yes, my friends, we always have two choices. Weekends पे mostly ये होता है कि अरे यार चलो आज छुट्टी है, लेट उठते हैं, then जब हम लेट उठते हैं हमारे सारे ही काम लेट होते हैं. So we have the choice one, that if you're waking up late, all our works and things and the assignments and whatever जिससे अभी हमें मिलना है, कुछ भी important काम करना है जो हम अपने office days में, usual days में नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, that automatically gets delayed. So this is one choice. Another one is that if you're waking up early, then you're doing your things on time. जब आप early उठते हैं तो definitely आपके पास ज़्यादा time होता है. When you have enough time, you can complete all your assignments and things and tasks which were pending for the time being. Since you were on your work, you were not able to do that. So if you complete those tasks, you'll feel happy. You feel satisfied. But on the other hand, if you're not able to complete your task due to any reason because you were sleeping late, eventually you become it becomes very irritating for you. आप चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं. You get annoyed for because of this reason. So we need to take care of that. Okay. Then the second choice you have, skip the gym or get an exercise. Yes, my friend, we can anytime skip the gym on the weekends. Okay, chalo yaar, ek din mein kya hota hai, this is the weekend or something, I want to relax, I don't want to go. At the same time, you have another choice, that to get some exercise, because if you're consistent on something, then only you can achieve your desired targets, my friends. So for example, if you're not very consistent with the gym, एक दिन दो दिन गए फिर आपने छोड़ दिया, नहीं थोड़ा रेस्ट लेते हैं, then we'll go again, then you again take some rest or something. So the consistency does not come there. The things don't work in a flow, and that is the most important thing we need to focus on, that we need to do the things in a flow. So again, you have the choice about this particular thing also. या तो आप gym skip कर सकते हैं, just to relax and get laid back at your home, or you can get some exercise and go to the gym, or maybe you can do it at your home as well. It's your choice. Then the third choice you have, my friends, about the food, which I always talk about, that you can eat fast food or junk food, or you can eat healthy. You have two choices. Again, the same thing happens. People say, okay यार आज थोड़ा weekend है तो थोड़ा हम बाहर का खा लेते हैं or something like that, which we do. But at the same time, you have a choice to eat something healthy. Usually it happens in the weekdays, or maybe when we are at work, and especially the people who are staying alone, not with their family, or maybe any other thing when you are busy in your weekdays or something, then usually people think अरे ठीक है यार अभी कम time है, let's get some food order from outside or anything like that. But in the weekend you have time, you can cook the things on your own, or maybe eat some healthy thing. If you do not have time on the weekend, then you can order things healthy as well. You have plenty of options available in the market nowadays. You can order anything healthy outside rather than eating all the junk food and things and get yourself in trouble. Then it's better to eat healthy. But again, you have two choices. If you eat healthy, definitely it's going to help you for your health, and of course if your body is good, then your mind will also be good. If you eat junk food, you know what's going to happen. I don't have to tell you, you guys are intelligent enough to decide. Then the next choice comes into And that's very interesting, my friends. It's party all night or work on your side hustle. Yes, my friends, whenever the weekend comes or the off comes, people think like, okay, chalo aaj masti karte hain, party karte hain, enjoy karte hain. Yes, you may have a party, but partying all night, of course, it is again the thing which, you know, goes into the first thing. If you're partying all night, of course you're going to wake up late in the next day, and then your things will definitely would not fall into the place the way you want. But if you're working on your side hustle, you're doing something productive, you know, you want to work on something which you really wanted to do. Mostly यही होता है, आप अपने work days में, when you have your job, your main work, you're not able to focus on your side hustle. But when the weekend comes or your off days are coming, then you can definitely focus on the thing. The choice is yours, that what exactly you want to achieve in your life. You just want to party all night, or you know, just waste your time unnecessarily, or you want to work on something productive and achieve something in your life. The choice is your, friends. Last but not the least is ignore your finances or work on your finances or manage your finances. Yes, my friends, finances मैनेज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. बहुत सारे लोग हम में से हैं who do not even know how to manage their finances, and usually when the weekend comes in, we want to spend a lot, we want to spend unnecessarily, we ignore our finances completely. But at the same time, we have another choice to manage our finances. You know, we can spend the money wisely. We can definitely make some data, we can definitely make some budget to, you know, manage our expenses accordingly, that how are we going to spend the money this month, or probably in the next coming month, or maybe in a year or something. You can do that financial planning, you know, a small plan for financial planning kind of a thing. You can always do that. End of the day, the choice is yours, my friends, that how you want to deal with your life, how you want to take the things further. So I hope you've understood these things, and I'm sure now you would also have got some insight that what are the choices we have and what kind of choices we make if the weekend is coming. Again, I would say the choice is yours. You are intelligent, you are smart, you need to decide what exactly you want to do in your life and how you want to proceed with this thing or with your life, you know, in future to achieve the desired results. So if you found this video useful and helpful, then please do share it with your friends, family and colleagues so that they can also take help from this video, my friends. And if you love Mindiology and you like the content of our video, then please do subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the latest update from us always on time, my friends. And please do share your feedback, suggestions and comments into the comment box, or you can write us at infomindiology@gmail.com, and do let us know what exactly you know, you think about Mindiology. And if you have the choice of your topics, please do let us know. We would love to make the videos on your choice of topics, because it's your own channel. So it's time to take leave from all of you. We shall meet next time at the same channel, Mindiology. Till then, keep loving Mindiology like you always do, and do share your love with us, and please do take very good care of yourself, my friends. Have a wonderful and blessed day ahead. Bye-bye.